Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. Today we'll be showing you how to make this Valentine's Day red decorative plate. Okay everybody, so this is the things you'll need for this project. We purchased everything from Dollar Tree except for this metallic gold paint that we got from Walmart for about 67 cents, but you can also select any other colors you would like to. Also we got this red charger plate from Dollar Tree. There's also silver, so you can, again, select whatever colors you would like. You need something to put the red charger plate on, like this charger plate easel. You need these Jot self-adhesive create your own stencils. These sentiment stickers that says a bunch of things on it. These Main Street Wall Creations peel and stick stickers. Ours have love and arrows on it because it's Valentine's Day. You also need a paint palette for your paint, or you can use a plate or whatever you want, and a paintbrush or a sponge brush. Let's get started. So now we're going to put the golden stickers on.
So what we did, just to make sure that we had them kind of equally spaced, is we took a chalk marker that we're able to erase easily. We marked the center of the plate, and then we lined up where we wanted our letters to be, and we just kind of lined up where the bottom of the letter would go and put a little white dots on the beads on the plate, and that helped us just to kind of line it up so we could put them right where we wanted them. Okay, so now that we finished putting Happy Day on there, this is still drying, so we're just going to let that be. We're going to go ahead and put on our decals. Okay, now that I made sure I found the center, I went ahead and stuck this down, and then I just used this little rubber scraper that you can buy this at Walmart in the kitchen section. You can use a credit card though if you want to. And all I did was I rubbed the sticker down, and it helped to make the clear that was behind there just kind of disappear more into the plate. So all that was really showing was the love, and it really helped it to blend right in. So now we're going to go ahead and decide where our arrows are going to go. And as soon as we're done putting those on, we're going to remove this, and our plate will be done and ready to display. This is a really simple craft for you guys to make. It doesn't take long at all. The longest time, I think, is just lining it all up to put on the plate and waiting for the paint to dry. Okay, so now that we've put everything on the plate, we're going to go ahead and remove the stencils. Okay, you guys, so I went to take the stencils off. I wanted to show you guys what happened. So I left it on to dry, and what happened is the paint stuck to the stencils. It ripped right off with, when I was trying to take them off, it ripped right off the plate. So that obviously was not going to work. And plus, when I started to take them off, I noticed how small these actually were, and it just didn't match up right with the lettering that I already had. So what I did is I went and found this ornament ball marker, which I had purchased around Christmas time at Dollar Tree. So I used this instead, and I just hand lettered the word Valentine in the middle and added some little embellishments around the plate. So I want to show you guys what that looks like. I feel bad that I told you guys to use the stencils and they didn't work, but the good news is now you know not to do what I did, and you won't make the same mistake and have to start kind of from scratch. So I went ahead and just lettered the word Valentine's in the middle. Down here, added these little hearts with some little dots. And then, because I thought that looked really cute, I thought that some of the arrows were a little bit dark, so I went ahead and used the gold marker to color in some of the lines and things. And it really kind of made everything just kind of pop and stand out. So I really liked it a lot better, so it was a happy mistake, I guess you could say. So I'm really pleased with the way that this turned out. I know that, you know, it was kind of a lot of work to get the stencils lined up and everything, but at the end of the day, I really like the way it turned out a lot better than what it looked like to begin with. And then I have it set up on our little easel here. You can kind of use anything. They sell clear ones, white ones, silver ones. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you have. You might even have one around the house that will work. But this is the finished plate, and I hope you guys love it. Okay, and that's all for this video today, you guys. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I try to upload new videos every other day. So if you'd like to be notified, also hit that bell button. Thank you so much for watching.